Welcome back, folks. We're back at it again with another daily ASIN teardown, powered by PickFu. Johnny with PickFu. What are we looking at over here? What is that? Ooh, what is that? I know what it is. It says it right here, retractable ratchet straps. Okay, so Rhino USA retractable ratchet straps, 2 times 1 by 10. Oh, my brain hurts. Retractable ratchet straps, 2-pack black. All right. Does it come in other colors because you're calling it black? Medium duty. 403 working load pounds. Not 400, not 404, 403. So we have a bag here as a hold it, and we have this over here. Oh, it does come in other colors. Well, that's a miss. Because you have packaging here, why don't you put the other colors on it? Because then I'll know you have other colors from the Serperoni. Because if I go back to the Serperoni and cheese, which I can't because I went directly to this item, womp womp. But you would see down here, if you're showing other colors like this one or that one, whatever, show more colors that you have. So you have other colors, you're only showing the one. Let's go down here. 1,209 pounds max brake strength. What does that mean? Quick press button to secure and release. Okay. Coated S hooks with safety clips. Coated. Why are they coated? Does that matter? Is that better than uncoated? And why are the safety clips important? Easy ratch, hassle-free retractability compared to what? Stickers? Some swagoo? All right, we got some stickers. Free sticker pack included. Not gonna sell me on some straps, but it's nice. Worry less, adventure more. Okay, so this is for what? For just a motorcycle? Okay, so when transporting your motorcycle, ATV, kayak, lawn equipment, or cargo. But you're only showing pictures of motorcycles though. But you're saying this other kind of stuff too. So you're only targeting people that have motorcycles and quads? What about me and I want to haul lumber, or I don't haul lumber, but haul anything else? Exclusive poly silk webbing. Rhino USA. So when they say Rhino USA, is it made in the USA? Let's go down here a little bit further. Okay, so 4.7 stars. 39 buckaronis, 2-pack, 4-pack. Okay. So American owned, family operated. All right. The whoops. Where do we go with that? So the bullets are lackluster. So a bullet point shouldn't say the sticker pack $10 value. That's not really compelling enough. From an SEO perspective, you want to talk about more as to why it's good. Also, you don't have an us versus them in your image stack. You're talking about why you versus your competition. You say a lot of things that you're good at, but I don't know why that's good. I don't know why coated S hooks with safety clips are good. I could imagine they're coated so they don't scratch up my truck or my car or my rig that I'm hauling stuff with. Is that a brake strength? I mean, that's when it breaks? Like, so if it's 1,210 pounds, it's going to snap in half. Like, what does that mean? And what is the pain someone's having if they don't have the ratchets? I know my father-in-law has all these kind of straps in there all over the place and I have to untangle them every time I help him. So is that the pain you're solving with someone not having to deal with that? If it is, you want to showcase that. Let's go down here. Why are they putting the brand story module below A+ content? Oh, we don't even have one. So forget that. Can't even talk about that. You have no brand story module, so you need one of those to know why, especially other items you have, your series, your other accessories. But we have some premium A+. Let's go here. The Rhino USA retractable ratchet straps. Okay, so you show me that here. Video, I never click on videos, guys. I see there's other colors in here. You don't really tell me from up here. You're only showing the green one, which is fine. Or is this the black one? No, it's the black one. So the blue is going to have green. Okay. Yeah, so there's nothing really differentiating on the packaging per se, except the little color here. But you have to lean into that further. Should I click the video? I'll click the video. You guys can't hear that, but that was so loud. That was so loud music. And that's why I don't click on videos. See how it does that? That little zip. You guys need to showcase that in something like this because you're not having someone holding it and it zips up. You could do that very easily in an infographic. That was super compelling. Great example of something super compelling in a video that I would not normally have seen because I don't watch videos. Let's see what else is super compelling here. No, that's super compelling. The little zip. That's really it. We just have zoom ins and stuff like that. But you're not showing cargo, you're just showing motorcycles. So fast, organized, reliable. Compared to what? What are we comparing that to? I never like this module in the Premium A Plus content because it's making me like, okay, I have to hover over this, hover over this. Okay, rust corrosion. It's not really telling me much more. Whatever. High weight capacity. Is he hauling a car and just, yeah, we got to pan out a little bit with that. Okay. Travel with confidence. It's very much saying things just to say them, but we're not talking about why you're better than the competition, which is a huge miss. But as you know, kids, kidderonis, little silly geese, I had to run the PickFu on this. So I ran the PickFu. I said, okay, main image to main image. You were shopping on Amazon. Which product would you rather buy? I really didn't give context to it. I just wanted to see. So it was almost 50-50, right? But this Augo brand came out a little bit higher, even though there's less pound of brake strength. But I'm assuming people are going to say they like either the color more or that there's two pieces over here. So let's see. Let's take a look. Okay, so why did people go with the one that we had? Okay, the color of the black straps. I like the color. Appears to be heavy duty. I find green and black is more appealing. Heavy duty and higher quality. Rhino USA stands out to me. Okay, so they said it appeared heavy duty. I guess because they said medium duty. Doesn't really say heavy duty. But why do these guys win? The layout and the color is better. It includes the soft loops, the extra straps. I like the blue straps because they're easier to spot, which I find important when using them. The bright blue color, the extra straps. I would ultimately find the higher visibility straps along with the soft loops to be better than the black straps in A, even if the latter has a marginally higher strength rating. Okay, so people like being able to visually see them, even if it means less brake strength. You get more for your money with the loops. I prefer the color. I like the color. Okay, so it's clear from this, right, that you'd want to have a more compelling color for your main hero image because people care about being able to see it in their box or work truck or bag or anything like that. People like the extra loops that this one comes with, even though including extra loops lowered the brake strength by 9 pounds. People still would rather go for it because of the color. And also, I have to sneeze. I have to sneeze. Yeah, they just like the color, the fact that it comes with extra, and they're willing to give up brake strength for that. Very interesting to see. It's always interesting having those good insights. But Butteroni, if you guys liked anything I talked about here, if it makes any sense, and you're like, John, I don't want to pick food myself. I don't want to do these polls. I don't have a designer to do that. That looks great. How do I do that? How do I add the colors over here to show people, hey, I do have a blue, or I do have a green, or I do have a yellow or an orange, right? Because maybe this PickFu would have been more deciding in this factor if they would have known for 1,209-pound brake strength, they could still get the blue. They could still get the blue because they have a blue right here. That just shows you that that's super important. But if you don't have the time to do that, don't worry, kiddies. We have the PickFu DFY done for you. Our designers go out there, do all the PickFu polls for you, take all that data, give you the best possible main hero image, and we give it back to you so you can win and cash all that cold hard cash. Cash the checks. No, Amazon doesn't give checks. Get a higher Amazon payout. How about that? But that's it for today's daily ASIN teardown powered by PickFu. Guys, make sure to tune in tomorrow. Gonna do another one of these. Comment below what you're interested in having me kind of take a look at and tear down, because I want to tear down stuff that you want to see. So like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. See you on the flippy floppy.